Before we continue, let's make sure you know the difference between dead air and being off the air. Dead air is the absence of audio or silence due to operator error or studio equipment malfunction. Maybe you're trying to perform a break with the mic off, you go grab a cup of coffee and return too late after the song has ended, a CD player doesn't queue up in time, the computer freezes, or the console loses power. But the station is still on the air and the transmission system is operating properly. Being off the air means the loss of broadcast signal due to transmission system failure, like a problem with the STL, the exciter, power amplifier, or other transmission system malfunction. It is important to make the distinction between the two, especially when speaking with the engineer, to be as accurate as possible so the problem can be addressed quickly and properly. Most stations will have more than one transmitter, a main and an identical backup. KANW has three: two identical digital transmitters on Sandia Crest and a low power analog transmitter at its studio location. As the operator on duty, you must know how to switch between main and backup transmitters when there are problems. Every station will have their specific procedures to follow when the transmitter goes off the air, but here are some universal steps you should take. Remember, the control room monitors and your headphones should already be monitoring the air monitor to hear when the station goes off. If and when it does, don't panic. Your focus now shifts to getting the station back on the air. First, you'll most likely contact the engineer who will guide you through what to do next. You'll want to continue the programming to hear when the station comes back. Next, try to turn the main transmitter back on with the remote control. If that doesn't work, turn it off and verify it is off before switching to the backup. Having both on simultaneously can damage one or both. Then, turn on the backup transmitter using the remote control. Take meter readings for the backup transmitter to make sure it is operating properly and log the events and actions taken in the transmitter log.